What's up, y'all? It's another Too Crazy Tuesday, and tonight we got a car meet we're going to. So y'all come ride with me. Oh wait, let me edit that out. But y'all come with me to this car meet. We're gonna see what's rocking and cracking and everything. We're gonna see if it's lit like the last weekend. Probably is, probably isn't. Who knows? But it starts at 9 and it's currently 8:20, so it might be a little late. And I forgot to grab a Slim Fast, bro. Damn, I'm gonna be hungry. I'm gonna be hungry out there. Show y'all this good old traffic though they got going. Man, he's braking forever, huh? He must got bad brakes. That's all I can really think. Y'all see the moon? It's a full moon. It says it's supposed to be pink. That motherfucker ain't pink. Bad. But I thank y'all for tuning in to my channel. You know what I'm saying? We just hit 500 subs. I'd like to thank all 500 of you for supporting me. Once again, this is another Too Crazy Tuesday. God, guys, I just been working so hard. Not even gonna lie to y'all. But it's alright. I'm gonna keep working hard. Hopefully I work so hard by the end of this year I should have all my things for next year done. So I can start working on 2027. You know what I'm saying? Just so dedicated to the things I love, man. This YouTube grind, this is what I love. I love waking up and not having the monetization of it because it makes me want to go harder. It makes me want to drop 110 YouTube shorts a day. You know what I'm saying? Motivation. So when I do get up and monetize, my fans don't have to be like, oh, is he still working hard? Is he still grinding? Is he still... Yes. Yes. Every day. Every day I'm recording something. Alrighty, vlog, as y'all can see, we had the car meet. Yeah. What? No, babe.
Hey man, look, money don't grow on trees. Money don't.
Alright, come on, y'all. Yeah, they finna do a rap battle. Yeah, that's pretty much it. No battle. What do you think, babe? though. You got Dream up in here. All the other toys. We got all the toys outside.
Yeah, we're going to.
Yeah. Shit, babe, that's the easy shit. You know how the Jakes be maneuvering. We ain't gonna think it's gone after a couple cars.
Yeah, I guess that's actually.
How you gonna be mad at me if Troll shut it down?
Because I could have went home. You know what this shit brings. So I could have simply did that.
Yeah, it's got gone. Y'all see how I'm not doing it. Niggas gonna run out of gas. I already vlogged, man. Y'all seen the one, round one. Hey, no cap, huh? I got sweatpants in my car if you need them. You need them? No? No cap, I'm finna go to my car to get my jacket. You gonna be straight here. Come on. Come on, other side, babe. You know how we do. No cow. Come on, babe. Cut across. Cut across. Cut across.